Hi, this is Camille Przewodek here at my studio in Petaluma, and I want to talk a little bit about my workshop that's coming up in Scottsdale, Arizona. And the dates are March 29th to April 2nd. So what we're going to do, it's a 5-day workshop, and we start with still life study, blocks, we go to round objects, and then eventually during the week we go to, this is a building in back of the school, and then we do a landscape on Thursday, and then Friday we go to figure. So it's a 5-day workshop, intensive, and I give you a little bit of a sample of I work with all subject matter. So if you're interested, you can sign up with the Scottsdale Art School, and hope to see you in March. Thank you.